Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. I've kind of backtracked a little bit to get some older boxes that I really liked and open. I only opened 2 boxes of this. As you know, these are one of the more affordable products that comes out each year, and I actually did really well with this stuff. Both of my boxes were good. One of my boxes produced a Tatis Jr. Patch autograph, well, jersey autograph. And I had some other good stuff come out of this. And then, of course, you know, the new releases were coming out fast and furious. And everybody just kind of moved on, including me. So, with last month being a slower month for new releases, it made me start kind of looking back towards other stuff that had already come and gone, and picked a few things to buy and open again. And this was one of them. There we go. There are 12 packs in this box. 2 autographs, or I didn't realize that. I thought everything was 1 auto, 1 mem, so actually that might not be a good thing. Oh, hang on, let me pull this back. I forgot how hard these are to open. I don't remember seeing anybody pull 2 mem cards, but I'm assuming that's what they're telling you, that it's possible, so that's not cool if that happens, but we'll see. Alright, there we go. Ugh, I love to see a box like that, just like at the hobby shop. Alright, let's do it. The inserts in here are not all that valuable, but there are there's SPs and there are parallels too. So Mathewson, Albies, Altuve, Danny Jansen, something. Rookie turned upside down, so maybe that's an SP. I'll have to check. I'll set it aside just in case. Flashback Pujols. I like these. These are done like the one of the old years of Diamond Kings. Benintendi, Yogi Berra, and Al Kaline. There is Kopech, Cochran, Just a Sheffield rookie, a Just a Sheffield autograph. That's not bad. Numbered, I'm trying to say the number 7 out of 99. It's a good looking card too. Well, if you like art styled. I don't know if you can tell it in this light, but the name and team name are hollow. So cool. Then we have Eddie Collins 1919 Diamond Kings reprint. What in the world? Well, there's some piece of card. Satchel Paige, Brandon Lowe rookie, Mookie Betts. We have a Nolan Arenado something. What was this? I'm gonna call it purple frame, but I think it's actually called something else. Let me see. Mauve, magenta, I don't know. Let's see if I can see it quickly without wasting too much time. Let's see, blue. I'm looking for anything that has all the colors listed together. I don't see it. I'm not gonna waste your time. It's not that important, but anyways. And there is a Portraits Yadier Molina. This is a good looking card. That's really nice. I like those. Santos rookie, Verlander, Chris Davis. Cabrera, there's Vlad Sr., DeGrom, a filler card, Gallery of Stars, Aaron Judge, Roger Maris. There's Ted Williams. Chipper Jones, Larry Wayne, Mookie Betts. This was upside down, so I'm guessing it's a short print. There's another Portraits Cano. There's Mickey Mantle, Reed Foley, and Jackie Robinson. Freddie Freeman, Chris Shaw rookie, Laureano, dual relic. It's not bad. It's a rookie dual relic. A lot of people like him. Has a lot of potential. So that might be my last hit. We'll see. That's probably it though. It's 2 Gallery of Stars, Yelich, Kluber, Clemens, Greenberg, Cobb, Crawford, Acuna. Here is a Crowning Moments Miguel Tejada. Framed. Another good. I like the framed cards. I think those are really cool. The 300 Nolan Ryan. Bregman, Sale. What does that say? Kyler, I guess. Perez, Severino, Alexander, Matt Chapman, something. I'm guessing SP again. Variation. I don't know. Set it aside. Another Chapman, Heirs to the Throne. Oh, and on the back, I forgot about this when I first opened these boxes, that there was a second player. Heirs, not heir to the throne. Heirs to the Throne. Beltry on the back. Chance Adams rookie. Brooks Robinson. Rogers Hornsby. I'm bad about doing that with inserts that have players on 2 sides. Stanton, Wagner, and then I realize when I'm done with the video, wow, look at that, artist proof Trout. That's cool. Nice. Flashback Mark McGwire in his A's uniform, Votto, Sewell, and Ricky Henderson. Still got 3 more to go. This one feels heavy. It must have a filler in it. Unless I got lucky and got something good. Nope. Filler card. There's a Jeff McNeil rookie. Tris Speaker. Dakota Hudson. Pee Wee Reese. Heirs to the Throne. Vlad Jr. and Josh Donaldson. Goldschmidt. Clemente. Josh James. Stanky. Good old Eddie Stanky. Aaron Judge. Joe Jackson. There's another Tejada Crowning Moment, but this one is not framed. Walker Buehler, Gallery of Stars. Burns, Musial, and Erskine. Erskine. Bang, bang, Erskine. Urias rookie. JD Martinez, Bryce Wilson rookie. Corbin Burns, framed rookie. And Arenado. What was this? This was one of my favorite. Oh yeah, the DK205 series. This is like textured, like the cards are. Well, the back is. This was definitely one of my favorite inserts out of this whole product. And you can get parallel variations of this, which I did not get a single parallel variation of any of the inserts this time. Keller and Rhys Hoskins, which is a shame, but it is what it is. So that's it. This is my little stack of goodies here. Not too bad. That's probably the best of these. Pretty pretty decent hits. Could have been better, definitely could have been worse, so I am not going to complain or cry about that. There's my autograph, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Hope everybody's doing well. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you again soon.